Hello. Hello. This is Abelis from AMAT. I'm here to show you how Bear Class works. So you come to your phone and you click on Bear Class. So it gives you the home screen with an advice to put your phone on flight mode. So you can click Remind Me Later. Then you click on Launch to open the My Objective screen, which comes at the tip of the level keeps on changing. Dismiss that tip and you write the topics you want to read. After reading, you save those topics. After reading, you come and check which topics you've been able to read. Then in My Reminder, you set the time after which you want to be reminded, for example 0.25 seconds, and the message is how far, and you can enable text to speech. So after setting this, after 0.25 minutes, you will get a notification asking you how far, and you can dismiss that notification. And that chart, whenever you lose concentration or notice you lose concentration, you click Wake Up and you write what was on your mind, for example, home. Now to review your concentration record, you click Review and it gives you the times you were able to click. And then to check the concentration, you click Check Concentration. It gives you the concentration level. The My Timetable is where you can write your timetable. For example, on Wednesday, you can click and it gives you morning, afternoon, and you write the activities you're going to do on Wednesday, or the subjects, and you save them. Even Monday or Tuesday. For Monday, you write, for example, physics, chemistry, and you save. And that is how the timetable works. So you keep on saving. So that's generally how Bear Class works. It's a beautiful app. Make sure you have it on your phone if you want to excel in your academics. Thank you.